Spoštovani, spoštovane, drage zaljubljenke in zaljubljenci, dragi sanjači in njihove muze, ter vsi tisti, ki vam srce hitreje poskoči, ko pomislite na nekoga. Živimo v časih, ko naše življenje obvladuje, saj veste kaj. Samo danes je bilo po svetu potrjeno ogromno število okuženih, kar okoli 6 milijonov. S to nalezljivo boleznijo je bilo tudi v Sloveniji le danes potrjenih približno 1500 okužb. Virus pa se le širi in širi. Najpogostejši simptomi so izguba govora, nenavadno dobro ali slabo počutje, menjavanje razpoloženja, izostren vonj in okus, nekakšni metuljčki v trebuhu, pordelost lic in pospešen srčni utrip. Ste že ugotovili, katera je ta bolezen? Ta bolezen je ljubezen. O tem, kakšna pa je, pa govori prva pesem današnjega popoldneva Love Someone, ki jo bo zapela in zaigrala le Humar.
There are days I wake up and I pinch myself. You're with me, not someone else. And I'm scared, yeah, I'm still scared that it's all a dream. 'Cause you still look perfect as days go by. Even the worst ones, you make me smile. I'd stop the world if it gave us time. 'Cause when you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, you make room. If you love someone and you're not afraid to lose them, you probably never loved someone like I do. You probably never loved someone like I do. When you say you love the way I make you feel, everything becomes so real. Don't be scared, no, don't be scared, 'cause you're all I need. And you still look perfect as days go by. Even the worst ones, you make me smile. I'd stop the world if it gave us time. 'Cause when you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, you make room. If you love someone and you're not afraid to lose them, you probably never loved someone like I do. You probably never loved someone like I do. All my life I thought it'd be hard to find the one till I found you. And I find it bittersweet, 'cause you gave me something to lose. 'Cause when you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, you make room. If you love someone and you're not afraid to lose them, you probably never loved someone like I do. You probably never loved someone like I do. You probably never loved someone like I do.
Pa kakšna sploh je ljubezen? Morda se odgovor najde v naslednji skladbi, ki jo bo na violončelo zaigrala Arina Pavlović. Naslednja pesem Abejt, ki jo bo kot svoje avtorsko delo izvedla Katja Košir, nas bo popeljala v svet zaljubljenih, v katerem posameznik upa in hrepeni, dokler se mu sanje o sreči ne uresničijo.
We were both so bad at love, weren't we? Before I went to bed, I dreamt how we kissed. I tried to find the soul in every single tin. Meanwhile, you were thinking about the best you missed. So it's time you left my dream. Yeah, you couldn't help but win. But I still want to be the one. I can't accept that it's all done. Be my heart, my sun, my almost everything. Looking at you always makes me want to sing. Times a funny thing, it seems like nothing's changed. The next day I come and I see us rearranged. So it's time you left my dream. Yeah, you just couldn't help but win. And you're the one I love and hate. But all you did was lay a bait. We were both so bad at love, weren't we? I think it's time I finally start to chase my dreams. I just think I'm waiting, it's exhausting. All I wanted was to live my favorite dream. I like to laugh with you again. I can't consider you my friend. I guess this really is the end. But please don't love somebody else.
Če bi bil jaz sila življenja, bi te zjutraj zbudilo milijon vrtnic. Če bi jaz bil sonce, bi z vsakim utripom tvojega čudovitega pogleda sklila nova sončnica. Če bi jaz bil vesolje, bi ti bila moja meja. Če bi jaz bil jaz, bi ti bila v mojem objemu. Jaz sem jaz in upanje mi ostaja. Naj nas skozi te upe in občutke popelje naslednja pesem z naslovom Sanje, ki jo bo kot svoje avtorsko delo izvedel Jan Triler. Ljubezen živi v naših spominih. Ti spomini so lahko lepi, lahko kar zabolijo. Včasih pa nam po nekaj letih prinese nasmeh na obraz. O ljubečih spominih pa bo govorila naslednja pesem. Don't You Remember Me? Zapela jo bo Jerca Berce.
When will I see you again? You left one no goodbye, not a single word was said. No final kiss to seal any sins. I had no idea of the state we were in. Feel high and a bitterness and a wandering eye and a heaviness in my head. But don't you remember? Don't you remember the reason you loved me? Baby, please remember me once more. When was the last time you thought of me? Or have you completely erased me from your memory? I often think about where I went wrong. The more I do, the less I know. But I know I have a fickle heart and a bitterness and a wandering eye and a heaviness in my head. But don't you remember? Don't you remember the reason you loved me before? Baby, please remember me once more. Don't you remember the reason you left me before? Baby, please remember me once more. When will I see you again?
Ljubezen je zelo vidna tudi v naravi in povsod okoli nas. Vse živo biva v tihem sožitju. Naslednja pesem z naslovom V tihem polju govori točno o tem. Izvali jo bosta Brina Klinar in Eli Škaler, ki jo je tudi uglasbila.
Že zadnji svit gre čez goro in čez vršine. Že zadnji sonce zaslon na Alpe tam posine. In potlej pride temna noč in vsa lepota le svetle zvezde vprašujoč grozeče zrote mine. Ni spoznati vsemi moč, ki vse tam njih izgine, in uravni potnik, davajoč ozre se visočine.
Ja, ni samo Red Bull tisti, ki ti da krila. Tudi ljubezen te lahko ponese drugam, v druge kraje, da ti moč. Takšna moč, da lahko premagaš še toliko velike ovire. Ni samo bolezen, ampak je tudi zdravilo, ki deluje in se dotakne najbolj od vseh. Ozdravite del za delom. O tem govori tudi zadnja pesem tega popoldneva z naslovom Piece by Piece, ki jo bo zapela Larisa Kuhar.
All I remember is your bed, walking towards the airport, leaving us all in your past. I traveled 1,500 miles to see you. Begged you to want me, but you didn't want to. But piece by piece, he collected me up off the ground where you abandoned things. Yeah, piece by piece, he filled the holes that you burned in me at 6 years old. You know, he never walks away, he never asks for money, he takes care of me, he loves me. Piece by piece, he restored in my faith that a man can be kind and a father could stay. And all of your words fall flat. I made something of myself, but now you wanna come back. But your love, it isn't free, it has to be earned. Back then I didn't have anything you needed, so I was worthless. Piece by piece, he collected me up off the ground where you abandoned things. Yeah, piece by piece, he filled the holes that you burned in me. At 6 years old, you know, he never walks away. He never asks for money. He takes care of me, 'cause he loves me. Piece by piece, he restored my faith that a man can be kind and a father could stay. Piece by piece, I fell far from the tree. I will never leave her like you left me, and she will never have to wonder her worth, because unlike you, I'm gonna put her first. You know, he'll never walk away, he'll never break my heart. He'll take care of things, he'll love her. That a man can be kind and father should be great. Piece by piece, piece by piece.
Ajmo, pa smo prišli do zaključka glasbenega programa. Zahvaljujem se vsem nastopajočim in sodelujočim pri pripravi tega spletnega dogodka. Kako je dobra bolezen, če je bolezen ljubezen, pravi Jan Plestenjak v njegovi pesmi. S to mislijo se poslavljam in vam želim lep večer. Ajde, pa po pamet!